Hey there, I hope you're having a great day so far. So, real quick before we dive in, if you're already curious and just want to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link to the official Mitolyn website right below in the description. It's the only place to get the real deal plus any discounts and the money back guarantee. Just wanted to mention that right away in case you're ready to jump in. Okay, now let's talk. If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right, you're eating better, moving more, maybe even skipping your favorite treats, but the scale just refuses to budge, I get it. It's frustrating and honestly kind of defeating. Like, how is it this hard? But recently, I found something that made me go, wait, why haven't I heard of this before? It's called Mitolyn, and it's been a total game changer for so many people. We're talking thousands from teenagers to folks in their 70s finally seeing real results, especially when it comes to that stubborn fat that just won't go away. And no, this isn't some shady magic pill situation. Mitolyn is made with natural plant-based ingredients that help boost your metabolism and support fat burning in a gentle, sustainable way. Some of the star ingredients: maqui berry, rhodiola, amla, and theobroma cacao, which sounds like something from a chocolate factory but actually helps with fat metabolism. Love that. It's also soy-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, and made right here in the US in a facility that's FDA registered and GMP certified. So yeah, they're not messing around when it comes to quality, but honestly, what I love most is that it works with your body, not against it. No weird jitters, no harsh side effects, just natural support to help your body do what it's meant to do. And if you're thinking, okay, but what if it doesn't work for me? Don't worry, they've got a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out totally risk-free. No results? No problem, you get your money back. Also, and this is super important, there's a limited time discount going on right now, but only through the official website. So if you're even thinking about giving it a try, now's definitely the best time. Just scroll down to the description and click the first link you see. That's the one. Easy. All right, if you're ready to finally feel good in your skin again, to see progress without the constant struggle, Mitolyn might just be what you've been looking for. You deserve to feel amazing. Sending you love, motivation, and good vibes. Talk soon.